Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving a question based upon area of trapezium. The question is, in an isosceles trapezium, the distance between the two parallel sides is 2 units and the shorter of the parallel sides has a length of 5 units. If the length of the equal sides of the trapezium is an integer, then which of the following cannot be the area of the trapezium in square units? So we have an isosceles trapezium, that means the length of its non-parallel sides will be equal. So let me draw an isosceles trapezium over here. Then we have been given that the distance between the two parallel sides, it is 2 units. Okay, so this will be 2 and this will also be 2. We have been told that the shorter of the parallel sides has a length of 5 units, so this will be 5. We need to find out that among the options which cannot be the area of this trapezium. So first of all, let me take these two sides, that means the non-parallel sides equal to each other. Let this be A, let this be A, and this distance will again be 5. Okay, this will be perpendicular. Whenever you are given this distance, okay, you will always take the perpendicular distance. Then this length, let me assume these are points KL, these are MN, then the length of KL and MN will be equal to X. Okay, why? Because let me assume that this is point O, this is P, so triangle MNO, triangle KLP, they are congruent. Okay, so their corresponding sides will be equal. This is 2, this is 2, this is A, this is A. So if this is X, this will also be X. We were given that this A, it must be an integer. Okay, so let me assume that the area of this trapezium is A, okay, which is half into sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel side, that means 5 plus 5 plus 2x. So 10 plus 2x into height, which is 2. Okay, so this is gone. So I'm left with A equal to 10 plus 2x. Okay, now we have to talk about integer value of A. Okay, so I can replace this value of X by this A over here. Okay, because this triangle PKL, it is a right angle triangle. Okay, so in that I can write A square equal to 4 plus X square. That means I can replace this X by under root A square minus 4. Okay, so let me write it as A equal to 10 plus 2 times root A square minus 4. I can further write it as A minus 10 equals to or upon 2 equals to root A square minus 4, which can further be written as, if I square the LHS, then I'll be getting A minus 10 by 2 square plus 4 equal to A square. Okay, now what we'll do is we have to check what is the possible area of this trapezium. So now this A is area, capital A, so we'll put all the options into this A over here and we'll check for which area do we get an integer value of A. Okay, so if you put option A over here, 10 plus 8 root 30, so A will be 10 plus 8 root 30, 10 10 will be cancelled, we'll get 8 root 30 upon 2, that means 4 root 30 square plus 4. Okay, so this will give me 16 into 30, 484. Okay, so 484 will be A square, which will give me A equal to 22. So I'm getting an integer value of A from here. Similarly, if you check for the rest of the option B, C, D, you will see that for option C you will not get the value of A as an integer. Okay, so I hope this is understood. This was a very good question. If you still have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.